Okay, I wanted to throw this little video together to kind of show you how to do some holes and to do a circular pattern. And you'll have to bear with me because I'm learning SolidWorks at the same time that you are. I've used it in the past a long, long time ago, but I've been using Inventor for almost 19 years now. So um, I'm learning SolidWorks too. So on creating these holes, as you can see, I've created my part. Um, pay attention when you start your parts to what plane you're working on. You know, a lot of times it may be the XY plane. Sometimes it may be the XZ plane. Depends on how you're gonna start your sketch. So on this one, I created it on the XY plane, and I centered both the whole thing around the origin, the center point here. And so now I'm just going to use a sketch. Oh, and we can do lots of things, but I'm going to sketch these holes. And here, in this case, I'm starting the bottom one. It has a radius of 0.5. And I'm going to use my X and Y coordinates here to position it. And that will be a minus 2.5. 0.5 diameter. And so I'm going to go ahead and fix that in place. Okay. And so I can finish that sketch. And I can go ahead and extrude it. And I'm going to go through all. And see, it's selected that sketch automatically because I haven't used it yet. Um, okay, and so that's got me a hole put in it there. Okay. Now then, what I want to do is I'm going to revolve that thing, and so I'm going to use a pattern up here. And that's you could sketch and extrude each of all three of the holes and dimension them by angles. That would be fine. Here's a quicker way, and we're going to use a circular pattern. Okay, and I've already worked through this once, so that's why things are showing up. And so under my face, my features, I'm going to choose that hole, the cut, and I want them to be 120 degrees apart, and there's going to be three of them. And then for my direction, I'm going to choose that surface. Okay, and you can see it populates them out there. You can take a look at them. Looks good. And so I'll finish that. And let me pop to the front view and see there it is. So that's kind of an easier way than to draw them one at a time, although sometimes you'll need to do them one at a time. Just all depends on the situation. So that's a little bit on how to do holes and then also how to do that circular pattern. If you got questions, send me an email or come by and see me in the lab.